Good morning, students. How are you all? I hope you are all doing good. Today we are going to see Unit 10, Lesson 7. Topic is multiplication and division problems. Okay. Today we are going to do workbook problems. Okay. Take your workbook, page number 71. Everybody take your workbook, page number 71. Okay. Open the book and keep. First, today I am going to do challenge 2. Okay. In challenge 2, first question. I am going to read the question for you. Okay. Hassan wants to pick enough plums for his 3 sisters to have 4 each. One more time I repeat. Hassan wants to pick enough plums for his 3 sisters to have 4 each. How many must he pick? What do you understand by this question? See the question. They are telling Hassan wants to pick fruit. The fruit name is plums. Okay. For his 3 sisters. How many sisters he is having? 3 sisters. He wants to pick 4 plums for one sister. Totally he have 3 sisters. Okay. So they are asking how many must he pick? So they are asking grand total. That is altogether how many fruits he have to pick. Okay. So if you read questions like this altogether or total like this sums, we have to do multiplication. Okay. We have to do multiplication. Let me explain clearly. Hassan is having how many sisters? 3 sisters. See here, I have drawn 3 girls. Okay. How many sisters he is having? 3 sisters. He wants to pick 4 plums for each. For one sister, he will give 4, another 4, another 4. Okay. Now, shall we give plums to his sister? First sister, 4. Next one, 4. Next one, 4. So now he bought 4 plums for his 3 sisters. Okay. So what you have to do now? You have to do multiplication. Okay. 3 multiplies with 4. That is 3 sister multiplies with 4 plums. We will get total number of plums. Okay, students. For that, we have to do multiplication. Okay. 3 multiplies with 4. Tell the 3 table. 3 ones are 3. 3 twos are 6. 3 threes are 9. 3 fours are 12. Yeah, you are correct. 3 fours are 12. Count this now. How many plums he has bought? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So we got the answer 12. To simplify this, we are doing the multiplication. Okay. So now you can write in the box. You can see in your workbook. Okay. They have given one square. In that you can write 12. How many must he pick? 12 plums. Okay. You can write in this box 12. You all understand? If they ask total or all together how many, like that you have to do multiplication. Okay. Shall we go for the next question? Challenge 2, second question I am going to do now. Shall we read the question? Okay. Holly shared 15 seeds between 3 pots. How many did she plant in each pot? Okay. One more time I repeat the question. Holly shared 15 seeds between 3 pots. How many did she plant in each pot? Okay, see, Holly is going to share. Sharing means what did I tell to you? Sharing means division. Sharing means division. Okay. See the question? Holly shared. Okay. Shared 15 seeds. So, Holly wants to divide this 15 seeds between 3 pots. So, we have to divide. We have to do division. Okay. Now, I will draw the parts for you. How many parts? 3 parts. How many seeds? 15 seeds. Okay. Now we have to do division. Now 15 divided by 3. Okay. 15 divided by 3. Tell 3 tables. 3 ones are 3. 3 twos are 6. 3 threes are 9. 3 fours are 12. 3 fives are 15. You all understand? 15 divided by 3. That is, gives the answer 5. See, I am going to share seeds now. How many seeds I can share for one part? 5 seeds. How many seeds? 5 seeds. For the first part, 5 seed. Next one, 5. Next one, 5. So, if they give sharing or they want to divide like that terms, you have to do division. Okay? You have to do divide the total with the number how many they want to divide. Okay? Then you will get the answer. You all understand? We have to do division of 15 and divided by 3. Okay? Shall we go for the next sum? See the next question. Question number 3. There are 5 learners on a table at school. How many learners were there? 5. Okay. The teacher handed out 30 crayons to share. To share. Share means what you have to do? You have to do division. Okay. Share means division. See, how many crayons can they have each? Okay. There are 5 learners on a table at school. The teacher handed out 30 crayons to share. Okay. How many crayons can they have each? How many learners? 5 learners. How many learners? 5 learners on a table. How many crayons? 30 crayons. So share. See the word share. So you have to do division. Okay. 30 divided by 5. What you have to do now? You have to tell 5 tables. Shall we tell? 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10, 5 threes are 15, 5 fours are 20, 5 fives are 25, 5 6 are 30, 5 6 are 30. So the answer is 6. Okay. So how many crayons they can give for each student? 6 crayons. Okay. See. 6 crayons for each students. They can distribute like this. 30 crayons they can distribute 6 crayons to each students. Because there were 5 learners. If you see the word like share and all, you can do division. They are asking, we have to find for each person how many they have to give. So if they ask like this, you have to do division. Okay. Next, today your homework is workbook page number 71. Challenge 1. First and second question. See, I am reading these questions for you. 3 brothers have 5 toy cars each. How many cars? Read the word all together. All together, total. If you see terms like this, what you have to do? You have to do multiplication. Okay. For the first sum, what you have to do? You have to do multiplication. Okay. See the second question. 2 cats shared. 2 cats shared 6 fish. Share means what you have to do? You have to do division. Okay. How many fish did they have each? For the second question, you have to do division. You all understand the homework? Okay. Do your homework by yourself. If you have any doubt, ask your parents. Thank you, students.